I have a 2005 Toyota Tacoma 2.7 liter, changing out the blower motor, and I'm also replacing the blower motor resistor. You can see here's the blower motor, and right here is the resistor. Here's the old blower motor. You can see all the leaves are inside. No good. Now, I don't know how all this stuff gets in here, but I have to get it out as much as I can. Now, I found out he doesn't even have the cabin air filter. No wonder, that's how all the stuff gets in there. I got the new cabin air filter. Make sure you put it with the arrow pointing up, because the air is flowing that way, going up. Here's the old resistor. Here's the new one. It also comes with the connector. I'm gonna cut and solder it, or I'm gonna cut it and crimp it. Use the crimper right here. Crimp them together. So for you not to get mixed up with the wire, try not to cut all at once. Do one by one. Cut one and crimp one, and then cut this one, crimp the second one, so that way you don't get mixed up. After you're done crimping it, it should be tight. When you pull on it, it should not come off. Now I'm putting back the new one in. So there's 3 bolts holding it. 1, 2, and 3. The 5mm. So everything is back on. The connector. Tape the part where you crimp it. I just want it to stay in one place, you know, so I tape it just to be safe. Start the car back up. Ooh, all that dirt's still inside. Oh, well, at least we know the blower motor works now, and it's cold. We're good. I'm gonna show you how to test the blower motor itself. So your ground you're gonna put on one side of the pin, and you're gonna put power on the other side. It doesn't matter which side. Got my power and ground hooked onto the jumper. Ground on one side and power to the other side. You see that? So that means the blower motor still works, but in this case we just replace it anyways. So if you put power in and the blower motor doesn't spin, that's mean it's dead bad.